Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In today's video, we'll walk you through the complete deal management process, how opportunities are created, tracked, managed, and successfully closed within the platform. Deal management in Office 24 by 7 helps your sales team sufficiently oversee all potential business opportunities from the first engagement to final closure. It offers complete visibility into every stage of the deal pipeline, showing progress, value, probability, and next actions, so that nothing slips through the cracks. Let's see how I've configured the Deals panel in my system. Here you can view key details such as deal ID, deal name, deal value, opportunity type, product interest, approval status, plan, and deal stage. Each field in this panel is fully customizable based on your organization's sales process. If you'd like to learn how to configure or customize fields for deals, you can check out the video linked above or in the description. Creating a new deal is simple. Click on Add Record and fill in the mandatory details such as deal name, assigned user, and opportunity type. You can also link it with a parent deal ID if applicable. Select the product of interest, define the plan, and update fields like stage probability, approval status, and close status as per your current pipeline stage. Once all details are entered, click Submit to add the deal to your pipeline. Immediately after creation, you'll notice an in-app notification sent to the assigned user. This notification feature helps keep your team updated in real time. To learn more about setting up notifications, check out the dedicated video linked above or in the description. Your newly created deal now appears in the Deal Table view, along with its details. Deals progress through multiple stages like open, won, lost, abandoned, negotiation, proposal. All these stages are fully customizable to match your internal process, allowing you to track progress and update statuses in real time. Apart from the table view, Office 24 by 7 offers a KanbanView, a visual board layout that displays deals by their current stage, giving you an instant overview of your pipeline health. There's also a full-page view that provides a detailed single-page display of all deal-related fields and associated activities. Each deal can be linked with its account and contact through lookup relationships. Once linked, you can view related information by simply clicking on the Related button beside the deal record. This ensures complete visibility of customer context, who the deal belongs to, their contact details, and related communication. From within a deal record, you can perform essential actions like sending emails, initiating WhatsApp messages, or making calls, all directly from the interface thanks to Office 24 by 7's integrated cloud telephony system. You can also add notes, comments, and track the entire deal activity in the History tab, which logs every update, status change, and interaction since the deal was created. You can schedule activities such as demos, proposals, or meetings directly from the deal record. Assign them to your team members, set expected close dates, and configure reminders to ensure timely follow-ups. Automation flows in Office 24 by 7 can be configured to send follow-up messages through SMS or WhatsApp based on specific triggers, such as deal stage changes, inactivity periods, or close date proximity. This automation ensures continuous engagement with prospects without the need for manual effort. When a lead qualifies, it can be automatically converted into a deal, along with its associated account and contact. This seamless transition minimizes manual data entry and keeps your pipeline up to date at all times. To help manage large pipelines, Office 24 by 7 provides advanced filter and view options. You can filter deals based on parameters like assigned user, deal stage, value, save frequently used combinations as custom views such as My Deals, High Value Deals, or Deals Closing This Month for quick access. For performance insights, detailed reports and dashboards are available. These show metrics like deal health, win-loss ratios, pipeline value, and conversion trends, empowering your team to make data-driven decisions and improve forecasting accuracy. We've also created a dedicated deal performance dashboard to provide a quick visual overview of your sales pipeline. This dashboard includes key widgets such as Deal Pipeline Forecast, next 90 days, shows total deal values and counts for deals expected to close in the next 90 days. High-value deals by plan, greater than 50,000. Highlights deals above 50,000, emphasizing high-value opportunities. Recurring revenue deal pipeline by quote status. Tracks deals according to their quote status, helping monitor proposal-to-deal conversion rates. Deal stage analysis with closure probability. Projects potential revenue based on current deal stages and associated closure probabilities. Each of these widgets can be customized or replaced based on your business requirements. Whether you want to focus on team performance, product-wise revenue, or regional targets, the dashboard offers full flexibility to suit your workflow. With Office 24by7's deal management, your entire sales cycle, from opportunity creation to closure, is structured, trackable, and efficient. It ensures that every opportunity is followed through, every action is accounted for, and every deal has the best chance of success. Thank you for watching. For more insights and to see these features in action, schedule a demo or visit our website. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more product tutorials and updates.